Hey guys, today we're talking about cool cabinet design features. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we're in this lovely kitchen we just wrapped up. The cabinetry is done by Renovation. They did a great job here. I want to show you some of the features that we have here. So first off, you've heard of the Lazy Susan. I'll introduce you to Hardworking Mary. I'm just kidding. This is actually called the Le Mans unit. But as you can see, this is an upgraded version where it pulls fully outwards. You can access all your stuff nicely. It's all on a soft close system and it tucks away easily. No more reaching down and digging in the back corner. So that's a great option to consider for a corner cabinet. Also above it here in this drawer, we have an integrated knife block and storage to keep everything organized here. It keeps the knife block off the counter, everything tucked away nice and clean. Here we have an appliance garage. So this thing's built in. This thing tucks away nicely. Your appliance lives in here. When the lid is open, the power is on. But as you close this unit, the power will turn off automatically. Another cool feature here is we've gone with handleless kind of touch open cabinets, which is really nice clean finish. It's all on soft close. It's a really nice product. Again, keeps a nice clean finish. Over on this side, another fairly common feature, but something to definitely integrate in your new design would be somewhere to put your garbage bin, your recycling. This is a great option here. We also have a little handle built into this to be able to take it out and dump it. So it's, again, a really nice little feature. Over here we have some floating shelves. Again, it's a really nice clean way to incorporate some more storage in your space, but it's nice and open, easy access, looks pretty slick. I also want to show you this, I guess we'll call it an overhead door. So here we have a large upper cabinet, but it's got this really cool door system, easy to open, easy to reach the close, immediate access to the whole cabinet. It really is a great feature, and as you can see, it's fully soft closing. Wonderful. Here's a pantry unit. So here we have pull-out shelves, and again, customized whatever size you feel best suits your needs. Again, also all nice and soft closed. And I'll show you in this attached room over here. So one more thing I'll point out outside of the kitchen, built-in cubbies really is a great way to add some additional storage and the chance to display stuff. This particular unit that we built also has a bench built in for seating, so it's a really nice option there. And lastly, in the back of this peninsula, we've incorporated in here some storage as well. So it's great for dishes and other easy access items across the bar. Here we have 4 cabinets. So it really, again, maximizing the storage in this beautiful, yet not overly large kitchen. Not a ton of cabinets, but it's really well designed to maximize storage, flow, and efficiency. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.